Hello everyone, it's Antonella. Today we are talking about Protect the Downside Guarantees Success. In a moment, I'm going to talk to you about the STOP acronym and tell you how that relates to all of this. So what's the downside? The downside is a financial term, and it means protecting yourself from large losses, because if you've ever experienced a large loss financially, it is very difficult to recover from that. So what are some ways that we do that? I've recommended in the past, and I strongly recommend this is where you start, keep the day job. The day job keeps the lights on, keeps food on the table, and it will help you fund your business. It will also leave you less stressed. So you want to keep your startup costs as low as possible, and the money that you do invest in your business, you want to invest it in smart things like training and mentors that can help you with establishing a successful business. The first thing you're going to want to do is find a product. Affiliate marketing is the best way that I know of to do it if you don't have your own product. There's low startup cost. You find a product that you love and you promote that product. It works really well with all types of industries and niches, so there's one for everyone. I also recommend that you start with free traffic. What is free traffic? Free traffic is what we've been talking about, which is YouTube. YouTube, because of the relationship between Google and YouTube, YouTube helps put your products on the first page of Google. People have asked about monetizing YouTube. So what does that mean? That means that when your YouTube channel reaches a certain point, YouTube will let you put ads on your videos. If you have ever seen a video where at the very beginning there are these ads that pop up, those are AdSense ads. Now, it's a great idea, but it's not that easy. You need at least 1,000 subscribers and at least 4,000 hours of watch time in order for YouTube to consider monetizing, allowing you to monetize your channel. So keep that in mind. And traffic is important again, because you have to get your product in front of the right people. So once you have people on your email list, which is your greatest asset at this point, and you have people who have bought from you, you now have a choice to make. You're making money. We're going to assume that you're making money. And you can decide to, pick another affiliate product and, promote that on YouTube as well. And, double your income or increase your sales or increase your income. Or you can choose to go the paid route, or you can do a combination of both. That email list is something that you can use for paid advertising, and that list will save you thousands of dollars that you could spend in testing and finding the right audience to present your product to. So that's why that list is so important. So protect yourself. Here is STOP. The S is for stable. That's the stability that we get by keeping our day job. T is for traffic. That's putting traffic in front of the right buyers and testing to see if this is a product that people want to buy. O is the opportunity of finding out who's going to buy and who's not going to buy and getting that list together. And then P is profits. Profits, once you find the right buyers and match them up to the right product and they purchase that product, now you're making money. So a lot of people tell you that, owning your own business, throw everything to the wind, you're going to make money overnight in your sleep. It can happen. However, I don't recommend leaving your job. And there's an actual formula to a certain extent. You want to wait until the money that you're bringing in through your affiliate marketing, in this case, or whatever you're selling, is at least 2 to 3 times what you earn on a regular basis from your day job. And that's because as an entrepreneur, you might have good months and you may have bad months. So you want to make sure that that income is stable and that it definitely will replace what you are currently, earning in your stable day job. So, now you're an entrepreneur, and I would love to invite you to participate in my free 10-day email course to learn how to build your business and leverage YouTube to get on the first page of Google. I'd love for you to comment below. What type of business do you own or do you want to own? The pro tip, again, for this video is keep your day job. So I hope you enjoyed this. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. hit the subscribe button to subscribe for my channel, and then hit the notify bell so that you can be notified of any new videos that I post.